Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a shower rail with fixed wall holders. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. First of all, here's an overview of the supplied parts, and of course of the tools needed, such as a 6mm masonry drill and a Phillips screwdriver. To start with, attach the slider, which allows you to adjust the height and angle of the hand shower later on. Now it's time for the plastic holders. The small pin must engage in the hole of the rail. You have to have a clear idea of where exactly you would like to install the rail. This could depend on, for example, room conditions or body size. Once you've picked a good spot, align the shower rail with the spirit level and mark where the drill hole shall go. The spot can be marked with a piece of tape. If you need to drill, you should use a masonry drill. If you drill into tiles, use a drill without impact. Then insert the supplied wall plugs. You can now attach your shower rail to the wall with the enclosed screws. Now to the chrome trims. Simply push these over the plastic holders from the front. Attach the hand shower to the hose and insert it. Done! That was easy, wasn't it?